Oh. I can't open it. I can't open it.
Okay, come here.
Who did to open it?
Okay.
Yeah. There. There. Can you go back to the spinning one? Mom, can you go back to the spinning one?
Sure. Can you wait just a minute, please?
No, I can do it. Where's your phone? Mom, where's your phone?
I'll get it for you in just a minute, okay? I was filming Andrew doing the dishwasher.
No, I can. You just have to tell me where your phone is, and I can get it.
It's over next to the lamp.
Okay.
Okay, you press the button and then close the door. Press the start.
One.
Yep.
Now close it.
Perfect. Now can you wash your hands?